Hi everyone, today is July 31st, 2022. It is 11 a.m. and 20 degrees Celsius. Today we are at an event called Taste of India at Nathan Phillips Square. And this event starts at 12 o'clock, and so we're about an hour early. Let's take a look around. There's the old city, there's a new city hall, I should say, buildings. Here's D's funnel cakes, deep fried Mars bars. And so as you can see, they're still getting set up. The event goes till 10 p.m. today, and I believe tomorrow it starts again at 12 p.m. and runs to 10 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. This is Dosa Bros, authentic South Indian cuisine. And so they're still getting set up here. Here's the great Maratha Indian cuisine. Delicious kulfi, which is delicious ice cream, Desi style. Yummy. Looks like a lot of delicious stuff around here. I may have to come back again to get another view of this event, maybe at a later time, once everything's all set up and in place. There's halal meats. This is a drink from the fruit vendor, where they can create a juice that you drink right out of the fruit that you are drinking the juice of. And so those are very popular during the summer at various venues in Toronto. And here's the stage, and there's Yellow Drop. Here's some cakes. This is a vendor called Empire and Bakery. Looks like they have a lot of delicious stuff here. Here's Awesome Friends Kitchen, Spices of Sri Lanka. I'm gonna see if I can keep this video a bit short so that I can have enough memory and battery life, mostly battery life on my camera, to come back and film again later this evening when everything is already set up and in motion. Here's masala box. And there's the Nathan Phillips Square fountain and the 3D Toronto sign. This is Nirvana, the flavors of India. Here's Oik Foods. This is Shaska, Indian Street Food Obsession. Let's take a look at the menu. Here's an electric bike vendor. Before we get to them, I want to show you guys these bicycles. These are unique. I haven't seen bicycles with this particular kind of design before. It says Madan Rickshaw Agency. So I'm guessing these are what you would call rickshaws. And they got all kinds of designs on them. Different colors, different patterns. This is cool. It's an electric bicycle vendor. And there's a 3D Toronto sign. Here's the Alzheimer Society, working towards a world without Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. All right, and I'll be wrapping this one up very soon. Because I want to see if I could try to come back later this evening and see if I can get another video of what it's like, what the event's going to be like once all the vendors are in place and everything's operating according to schedule. So I'll either make this a part 1 of a part 2 for the first day of Taste of India, or I may just make this a Taste of India Day 1 video. But either or, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.